Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are okay and happy. So today's video is all about my earring collection. Basically in this video I will share you to my earring collection and I will show you guys what kind of earrings I have, how many earrings I have. I guess almost 10 earrings. I guess I have almost 10 earrings तो होगा ही शायद मेरे पास. So if you are interested then please keep on watching me. So let's start the video with the first earring which I bought in my life. The first earring of my life. This is the earring which I bought first in my life. Yes, this is the earring. तो इसके पीछे ना एक स्टोरी है. Let me tell you the story. So the story is मैं पहले एक भी earring नहीं खरीदती थी and I was in most probably 9th standard maybe. Yes, maybe I was in 9th standard and the day was Saraswati Puja and I went to my friend's house and she was like तू क्यों कोई earring नहीं पहन रही है, मतलब your dress is okay, your everything is okay but there is no earring. I said I don't have any earring because I don't buy any earrings and she was like you should buy any earring but for now you just wear mine. तो उसके बाद मैंने earring खरीदी है और उसके बाद ही मैंने सबसे पहले earring खरीदी है and this is the first earring of my life. So और the ironical part is I have never wear this one with any dress. Yes, I have never wear this earring with my any kind of dress because I don't like it that much. उस टाइम पे मैंने बस इसलिए खरीदा just for the sake of I have to buy something but उसके बाद मुझे पसंद नहीं आया so I don't wear it anywhere with my any outfits. So yes, this was my first earring. So let's see the next earring and the next earring I have is this. This is really cute. This earring is really smart और मैंने इसको बहुत बार पहना है बहुत सारी ड्रेस के साथ jeans के साथ. So yes, this is the second earring and it really looks so pretty, so smart. Look at this earring and this is from an मेला जो हमारे यहाँ पे हुआ था तो वहाँ से मैंने खरीदी है. The next earring is this one and this is also from the Mela and I bought this one with this one. मतलब दोनों एक साथ में ही खरीदी है and yes, this is also just for the jeans and top and you may wear it any stylish kurti but I don't wear kurti that much. Most of the time I wear jeans and tops so that's why I bought everything which will go well with jeans and tops. The next earring I have is this. This is also from a local market from here and I bought this in the Durga Puja of 2016. Yes, 2015 or either 2015 or 2016. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 2015. तो 2015 मतलब 5 साल पुराना नहीं 6 साल पुराना ऑलमोस्ट. I bought this on the occasion of Durga Puja. So yes, from a local market. So this is the earring, you can see it. And the next stuff I have is the छोटू सा ring type का earring and this is also one of the oldest earring in my collection. And this was gifted by my relatives. Look how cute the earring is. This kind of earring goes well with every outfit and when I was a child, when I was reading in class 9 or 10th standard, 8, 9, 10th standard, I used to wear these earrings a lot. मैं हर एक outfit के साथ यही earrings पहनती थी क्योंकि मुझे बहुत पसंद है and this really look well, goes well with every outfit. Next earrings I have इसका ही black version, this one. मुझे ना ब्लैक कलर की चीज़ें खरीदना बहुत पसंद है. दिस ऑल्सो गोज वेल विथ एवरी आउटफिट बट आई डोंट वेयर इट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम बिकॉज इट ब्लेंड्स टोटली विथ माई हेयर. और किसी को समझ में नहीं आते, मतलब मेरे को खुद भी दिखाई नहीं देता है कि कोई ईयरिंग है भी या नहीं. सो आई डोंट वेयर इट दैट मच. आई वेयर इट ओनली व्हेन आई डू अ ponytail or I tie my hair completely. Only then I use it. Otherwise I don't use it with the open hair. The next earrings is with the fair like earrings. मतलब फेयर वाले earrings एक अभी ट्रेंड में था, सब लोग किसी को खरीद रहे थे. Then I thought I also should buy earrings like this. So I bought this and no I मतलब मैंने नहीं खरीदा है, ये भी गिफ्टेड है. And this was gifted by my Didi and Jijo. And when I went to Shiliguri in 2017, that time there was a fair going on, and that's why, and they gifted me this earring. The next stuff I have is this one. Honestly guys, when I saw it in the shop, I was like I need to buy this, but घर में आने के बाद मुझे पसंद नहीं आया और मैं अभी तक इसको किसी भी आउटफिट के साथ पेयर नहीं किया हूँ. इट डोंट लुक दैट बैड, आई मीन ठीक है, लेकिन फिर भी पता नहीं किसी भी आउटफिट के साथ इसको पहनने के लिए मुझे मिलता ही नहीं. मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता कि मेरे पास ऐसा कोई आउटफिट है जिसके साथ मैं इस ईयरिंग को पेयर कर सकती हूँ. और मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं आता है, पता नहीं कैसा कैसा लगता है. तो आई डोंट लाइक दैट वन, लेकिन मुझे उस टाइम पे बहुत पसंद आया और मैंने खरीद लिया. द नेक्स्ट स्टफ आई हैव इज दिस वन. सो आई बॉट दिस फ्रॉम दीघा बीच. Me and my family went to Digha in the year 2018, January 2018. So I bought it from there. Next stuff I bought is this. This is also from Digha. और मैंने इसको तो एक बार के लिए भी मैंने दीघा पे पहना था, लेकिन इसको मैंने दीघा पे यहाँ पे कहीं पे नहीं पहना. लेकिन उस टाइम पे मुझे बहुत पसंद आया, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और मैंने ख़रीद लिया. लेकिन मैंने आज तक इसको किसी भी आउटफिट के साथ नहीं पहना. सो दिस इज़ द वन. एंड द नेक्स्ट स्टफ आई हैव इज़ दिस ईयरिंग. एंड दिस वॉज गिफ्टेड बाय माई फ्रेंड्स ऑन माई बर्थडे. मैं पहले इसको पहनती थी हर जगह पे, लेकिन इसको मिलने के बाद मैं हमेशा इसको पहनती हूँ हर जगह पे, क्योंकि it's really a go-to earrings. I feel this is what I feel. It not only goes well with jeans and tops, it also goes well with your kurtis also. So yes, this is like go-to earrings for me. The next stuff I have is this earring, and this really gives me a festive vibes. This is really a cute earrings again. Look at this earring, how cute. Anyway, the next stuff I have is this earring. Pretty na? So I don't know from where I bought this, but yes, this is really a pretty earring, and it goes well with your sari, especially sari या तो कोई gorgeous kurti या anything like that. The next earring I have is this. Look at the earrings. This is just a nice earring actually, लेकिन मुझे दुकान में जितना ज़्यादा पसंद आया, मुझे घर आने के बाद उतना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आया. I don't know why, but ठीक है, चलेगा. The last earring I have is this. This is a perfect earring for your sari and for your kurti. I wear this in my 2020 दुर्गा पूजा. उसका पिक्चर शायद मुझे मिल जाएगा तो मैं यहाँ पे शायद डाल दूँगी ताकि आप देख सको कि this was looking so beautiful. So that was my today's video guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and yes, ta-da!